Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to verify a domain name on Google Search Console using Namecheap web hosting. Okay, so we are going to start now. I'm going to add my domain on Google Search Console. As you can see here, I'm going to click where is this website is, on this corner here. I'm gonna scroll down. I'm gonna click add property. Okay. So from here, you can use the domain if you want, but to verify this, you might use DNS or here, which is the much easy one. Okay, you can just paste your URL here, the URL of your website. Remember, you need to add HTTP. Okay, the full URL prefix. You click continue. Okay, from here, we are going to download these files, save it somewhere on your computer. When you're done, you come to Namecheap, you come to hosting list. From here, you go to cPanel. It's going to redirect you to cPanel. From cPanel, you scroll down until you find File Manager. From File Manager, double-click on Public HTML. So from here, we're going to upload that file we just downloaded from Google Search Console. This is the file here. Let's have upload the file. Now, go back to Google Search Console, click Verify. It should show green. As you can see, ownership have been verified. Very simple, right? I hope this video will have someone who is in need. Please don't forget to like it, share, and subscribe. Ciao.